How to create link for photos in Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Google Drive. After that, select a picture that you want to create the link of. After that, tap on the three dot of the image. Then tap on share option. Now, if you cannot find the link over there, go to send a copy from here. Go to more, or if you directly go into the image, you can just tap on the three dot and you will see the option of copy link right over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.